Tanu, cutie. Tanu, your expression was so cute. So cute. When I meet you next, I'm going to give you a big kiss. I'm going to bite your cheek. Hi everyone. So I've been getting a lot of requests to come live, and I wasn't getting an opportunity, so here I am. Firstly, I want to thank everyone for all the I love you, Tanu, for all the wonderful edits that you guys have been doing, and for all the love and all the appreciation that you guys have given me for my last few scenes. Yes, it was pretty tiring, it was pretty taxing, and I tried to give and do my best, and I'm sure it was successful because your reactions were fantastic. Really, thank you so much for giving me so much of love, for giving me so much of appreciation. Hi Janvi Official. Hi. Thank you so much, Vaibhav. Prisha is not shooting today. Hi Aishwarya. Hi Muskan. हम सब ठीक है. Abrar is also not on set right now. Tanu, so sweet. You know ना क्या मेरी हालत हो गई थी वो scenes कर करके. Reunion with me and Harshad. Yeah, I think we are kind of planning something. Hopefully in the coming days, the Bepanar team. Hopefully it works out. Thank you. Hi Geeta. Hi Arwa. Hi. Okay, the name just went. Roma. Hi Roma. नंबर मैं नहीं दे सकती भैया. Ahana is not shooting today, and Prisha is also not shooting today. Actually, no one's there. Ask for a date on the weekend. Sorry, not happening. Yeah, I swear na Tanu, yaar, when are we going to meet? Ask Sargun to come live. I will tell her when I meet her next. I'm not meeting her today. Hi, Heath Rathod. Go live with Tanu Deep. Hi, Jatin. You like this look? Okay, it's a very basic, simple look. Bare minimum makeup. I haven't even worn my lashes, nothing. आज तो फिर भी earrings मिली है, नहीं तो कल परसों तक तो ये भी नहीं थे. I'm very well, Mahi. Sakshi. Hi Sakshi. Sargun and Abrar are not there today. Ritika. Hi Ritika. आगे क्या होगा आप देखिए. Thank you so much. Ash. अरे वाह, मेरे दोनों जिगरी are online right now. The two people I love the most. Hi Deepriya, I'm very well, thank you. So yes, I was saying, I really want to thank all of y'all for giving me so much of love and appreciating my performance. Fumble. देखा जैसे ही तनु और ऐश आ गए ना live, I've started fumbling. I always fumble in front of them. So yeah, thank you very much. Thank you for all the love. Thank you for all the all the edits and everything and all the posts. And it's because of all of that that gives us so much of motivation and inspires us to do better and better. And I will try and do better and live up to your expectations even in the future. So please do keep watching the show. Watch all of us. You like my getup? Okay, nice. मैं रियल में रुद्राक्ष की माँ नहीं हूँ. Good morning, Manshika. Fumble Queen. The moment I saw yours and Ash's name, now I started fumbling. उससे पहले ठीक थी. अब मैं आपका अपना नंबर नहीं दे सकती. Hi Devya. You like the getup? Thank you. Hi Shriya. Hridyanshi. UV is also not on set. Actually, there's hardly anyone shooting today. It's just me and Mahima amongst all of us. So, मैं वैसे भी बहुत दिनों बाद आ रही हूँ. So, the others are not there. Only Mahima and I are shooting today. Good morning. Hi Zulfiat. बल्लू अंकल नहीं आएंगे बेचारे. गौरव. मलिका नाटक अच्छा. आ तू तुझे मिल, मैं दिखती हूँ तुझे. How am I so beautiful inside out? Because you are beautiful, Tanu, which is why you find me beautiful. क्या महिमा का राज खुलेगा? देखिए खुलता है कि नहीं. My favorite color, sorry, I just missed that comment. I just read my favorite color is blue, electric blue. I love blue. Abrar and Sargun off screen are very, very sweet. Okay, I have to save this video. I'll try. I really don't know how to save this, but I'll try. Good morning. Hi Mushu. What am I eating? Gaurav, तुझे पता है? Yesterday night I went to Kailash Parbat and I have had almost every dish on their menu. मैंने end में Chinese भी खाई. Imagine. So today I am on an all fruit diet. So I am having bananas and I am having grapes. Tanu, Ash, can you believe it? Today I'm not going to eat anything. I'm only going to be on fruits. Because I've hogged like a pig last night. But I've had some amazing chaat. Please go onto my story and see what I'll have eaten. I just posted half of what I've eaten, okay? I had Chinese soup also, and I had I had to end my meal with fried rice because Chinese is my favorite cuisine. So end में मुझे fried rice and I had some stir fry veggies and all that at Kailash Parbat after having all the chaat. Ballu, no Gaurav, not that Ballu, please. This Balraj is really, he's a wonderful person, wonderful actor, everything. How's my bond with Sid? Very good. He's fun, yeah. My favorite food is Chinese, yes. Yeah, I know. अरे कल गौरव मैंने कल यही सब खाया, कचरा पट्टी. When are you meeting me? Meet me, let's go for street food. When will I work in a movie? Please pray that I get something good. Yeah, I would love to. Ask Abrar sir to come live. Yeah, Abrar or Sargun, they are like so tired and they're shooting non-stop. It's very difficult for them uske beech mein to come live and stuff like that. But nevertheless, when I meet him, I will tell him. In fact, what I'll do is next time when we're all shooting together, हम इकट्ठे live आएंगे. When will I should start wearing colorful? Yeah, but then right now the demand is that I wear white sarees, right? I've lost my husband, so I can't be wearing colorful sarees right now. हाँ, आगे जाके थोड़ा सा मैं white से हो सकता है हट जाऊँ. But this is not bad, yeah. It's quite okay. इसका अपना look है. In white, see, my best friends are Tanu and Ash. Mishka and Ahana. My birthday is on the 4th of April, Tasneem. Group pics with wives. I try and post as much as I can on and off. In fact, I keep putting up so many BTS also when I get the opportunity. So I will next time when everyone's there. Which food do I like, healthy or junk? Obviously junk. I eat a lot of junk food. Hi Aksha. Don't ask me my age, please. I'm not telling you. I don't know where Abrar is. He's not on set today though. Siddharth is also not here today, so message him and tell him to come live wherever he is. You want my pics with Abrar and Sargun? I have sent hi Anuj. Thank you Anuj. I've always posted. I'll post again now next time when I meet him. Hi Sana. Thank you Vishal. Do you think I'm 18? I know I'm 18. I've not grown beyond that. I'm very well, Shweta. Hi Vishal. How are you? Hi Indrani. How are you, Baba? I will post pics next when I get the chance. Thank you, Tana. My eyes are cute. Thank you. Thank you, Srinita. That's very sweet of you. Hi, Chichi. Oh, Chichi is Govinda ji. Your name is also Chichi. Sohan Singh ji, namaste. When do I pack up? I think, and I'm not here for the whole day. I don't have much to do today. I think thodi der I have one more chotu sa scene. Then I think I'll pack up. Thank you, Vinayak. Adarniya Suprabhat. I missed the name. Sorry. Hi, Taranpreet. Thank you. Sorry. I missed your name. Whom do I love? Prisha और आहना? यार, I love both यार. दोनों मेरी बहुएं हैं. I love both and Ahana has been so supportive of Shardha ever since she lost her husband. So I love both my daughter-in-laws. They're both cute. They're both Ahana and Prisha are also cute, and Ash and Sargun are also very cute. Thank you, Jia. Hi, Fatima. I'm very well. Isaka. Sorry, I missed it. Hi, Jharna. Thank you, Hina. Abrar and Sankur. Funny moment. बड़े सारे funny moments हैं. Sargun though is just generally blah, and she just very casually does so many funny things without even realizing that she's funny. And Abrar does very good mimicry. He's excellent in imitating people, and that keeps us in splits. Sorry, I missed your message. My surname is Nayak, Nayak, as in Khalnayak wala Nayak. Thank you so much. Bepana reunion. Like we're trying. Let's see. Hi Priyanshi. Priyanshi, oh, your surname is Naik too. Thank you so much. Thank you, I am Siddharth. Hi Sonali. Thank you. Hi Fatima. Okay, now please tell me in your comment section something else, yeah, rather than me just saying hi. Thank you, Farah. I will try and save. I don't know how am I going to save this. I really don't know, but I will try and save it. Dhruvi, thank you very much, Zoya. Aishwarya D is not on set today. In fact, she's been shooting continuously. बेचारी को आज एक off मिला है, but I am on set today, so I haven't met her the last few days. YC is the best TV show. Thank you. Good. Keep watching and tell everyone to watch. और हमारे TRPs बढ़ाओ. Hi Khushi. When will this Mahima track end? Watch, no? देखो होगा. Someday or the other it has to. This thing, I mean, good has to triumph over evil. So, देखो. Hi Shriya. I will tell Abrar and Sargun to post pictures when I meet them next. Hi Anika. Yes, thank you so very much. It's because of y'all, you guys who keep promoting us, our show, and all of that, we are so popular. So thank you, Aliba. Hi Anjali. I will try and save my life. Hi Mahi forever. Thank you very much, Astha. TRP बढ़ेगी but end Mahima track. Hi Nivi. When do you go home after shooting? Or were you trying to ask me where do I go after shooting? Sorry, I didn't get it. I go home. And if you're asking me where I stay in Juhu. Malika, take my name. Thank you, Mehak. Thank you, Naushad. Thank you. Kind love you, Sharda. Yes, I have got a lot of love as Sharda. People really love Sharda. When I started ये चाहते एज शारदा, मुझे तभी अंदाज़ा नहीं था कि दिस कैरेक्टर विल बी लव्ड सो मच. सो यू गाइज हैव मेड शारदा. So thank you for giving this character so much of love. Thank you for giving me so much of love. And yeah, lots of love and gratitude to you all. Sorry, I missed that. Thank you, Nikesh. My favorite beer, Corona. Hi Ishita. Check the meme. Okay, I'll check it. Thank you so much. I just said Vaibhav, it's Corona. Thank you, Noli. Rijona. Hi Rijona. Hi Jia. Hi Raghav. Sorry darling, I don't think I'll be able to follow you back, but if you DM me, I will definitely answer. I generally answer. I look through all my DMs and I try and answer as much as possible. Hi Nandini. कैरेक्टर शो में बहुत सुपर हिट है. यस, मेरा कैरेक्टर शो में अब हिट हो रहा है, but that is because of y'all. That is because of you, all you viewers, all you fans, YHC fandom, who has made my character so lovable, and I am very grateful for that. Thank you. Hi Parvati, lots of love from Kerala. I want to come to Kerala. Hi Roshni. Khushi. Hi Khushi Rai. Rusha, they are not there. Both of them are not shooting today. Hi Anjali. Aditya. Hi Aditya, how are you? My character is so cute. Thank you. Cute तो actually niche है. But yeah, thank you. Who is shooting today? Only me and Mahima. And some character artists. And yeah, Saransh also, I suppose. I haven't met him though. Hi Anjali, I think I took you on board. Sorry, I missed that message about something me eating in Srinivasan house. Sorry, I missed that message, Baba. Hi Ria. Sakshi Ma. People still remember as Sakshi Ma. Now, of course, people know me as Sharda Ma, but there are still a lot of people who remember me from Bepana as Sakshi, and that was another character that was really loved. It's sad that the show didn't run too long and it shut down abruptly, but Sakshi was also very, very close to my heart, and Sharda, of course, is. साक्षी माँ सतीश शर्मा के बारे में कुछ बताइए. He is a first of all everybody knows he's a fantastic, wonderful actor, and I've done maximum of my scenes with him. I've learned so much from him, and it's been a pleasure to work with him. And he's become a good friend now, and he's a wonderful person. He's very nice, and I'm really missing him now that he's not there. You know me from Mahabharat, okay? So you know me as Sudeshna as well. That's nice. Hi, Anand. Vandana. Hi, Vandana. My smile is nice. Thank you. Thank you, Dream Girl. You love my reels now with Tanu and Ash. In fact, you know what? Tanu is a person who is a totally real person. और मुझे तो ये reels बनाने बिल्कुल ही नहीं आती. You have to have talent. Okay, it's not my scene at all. But I have kind of got addicted to it because Tanu बनाती रहती है, मेरे बाजू में बैठती बनाती रहती हूँ, मैं देखती रहती हूँ. And she pulls me and she pulls Ash also in it. And we've come out with some pretty cute reels. So in fact, next when I meet Tanu, next when we shoot again, I am definitely going to make a reel with her and Ash, because हम तीनों की जो टिगड़ी है, Three Musketeers, it's really being liked by people. So I will make a few more. मतलब मैं नहीं बनाऊंगी, तनु बनाएगी, वो कोरियोग्राफ करेगी और हम चुपचाप उसकी बात सुन लेते हैं. Mother tongue. Okay, my mother tongue is I don't know how many of you all know I am a South Indian, and my mother tongue is Konkani, Tulu. So I don't know my mother tongue. My mother is a Tamilian. I used to speak Tamil as a kid, but बाद में मैं वो भी भूल गई. So I don't know my mother tongue as such, but because we've always spoken Hindi and English at home, and then I've been born and brought up in Mumbai, so I know Marathi as well. So yeah, so I can't speak in my mother tongue, but I can understand a lot of Tamil because my mother is a Tamilian. I will do reel with Abrar Gun as well. Yes, thank you, Mrityunjay. I hope I got the name right. मेरा अपकमिंग लुक क्या है एक्चुअली ना, मुझे खुद ही नहीं पता एग्जैक्टली मेरा क्या होगा अपकमिंग लुक. ऑफ कोर्स इट वोंट बी लाइक दैट एक्सक्विजिट एज शारदा वाज विथ हर लॉन्ग लॉन्ग रानी हार्स एंड बड़े बड़े झुमके एंड यू नो दोज एक्सक्विजिट हेयर डूज एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट. बट थोड़ी सी कम हो जाएगी, थोड़ी सी सोबर हो जाएगी, बट देन दैट्स ऑल्सो ब्यूटिफुल ना. सो इट विल ऑफ कोर्स आई गेट आउट ऑफ दिस वाइट लुक इन अ वाइल. But it will be a little more sober, yes. But there will be color. Color is coming back in my life, guys. Don't worry. Hi, can I get a Vaibhav? I'm sorry, I can't follow back. Yes, I remember my role as Pooja. Pooja, belated happy birthday. I love you. पूजा किथे गई? So Pooja is also live. I don't know whether she's still there or she's gone, but another wonderful, wonderful, wonderful human being, a wonderful, beautiful soul, and I love her. I love her a lot. पता नहीं, I think Pooja, I don't know whether she's there or she's not there. I can't find her. But yeah, Pooja, if you're there, I love you. I love you, Pooja. So there are very few people in my life who are very, very close to me, who I love a lot, who are a part of my inner circle. Pooja is someone I really, really am very, very, very fond of. She's one amongst them. Although we hardly meet, but we do keep in. तुम्हारे पैसे पहुंच गए? पहुंच गए? गिन लो, पेटी भर के हैं. पूरा दिन निकल जाएगा. बदमाश. Cutie she is. Good morning. What is the secret of my beauty? You are beautiful, which is why you find me beautiful. Okay? This secret is your nature. Pooja. That was for you. Hi, Pearls. How many years will YHC complete? You guys have to keep watching it, yeah? आपके ऊपर है. आप देखते रहो. हम काम करते रहेंगे. Anu, sorry, I missed your. Thanks, Vaibhav. I'm Pooja. Thank you, Karishma. क्या असली रीजन बताओ. सॉरी, आई मिस्ड योर क्वेश्चन. आजा मेरे साथ लाइव आजा. What am I eating? I am eating angur. Who is Pooja? Now you're talking about which Pooja? You're talking about Pooja Sharma or you're talking about Pooja Banerjee? So Pooja Sharma was my co-actor in Mahabharat, and now she's a very, very, very dear and a close friend. Everybody knows she was Draupadi. And Pooja, if you're asking about Pooja Banerjee, she was my screen daughter in a show I did called Swim Team, and ever since then she is my daughter in real as well. She is family. मेरा रोल बहुत ही बढ़िया है. Even you're eating grape, Sheetal. Very good. Thank you, Suchita. Hi, Mishta. Trisha is not here. क्या आंसर करूं अनुज? I'm sorry, I missed your question. Hi Dhruvi. Hi Namrata. Sargun is not live for me to add her, darling. I'm the reason for your smile. How sweet, Suneha. That's so sweet of you. My voice is wonderful. Thank you. बाप रे, आधा घंटा हो गया. I think बहुत टाइम हो गया. Okay guys, I think I should go now. Thank you. So hi Janvi. My family comprises of me and my 2 children, my son and my daughter. बलराज अंकल शो से क्यों निकले? आप बलराज जी से पूछिए. I have no clue. Mahima shooting, I think. My favorite scene with Rusha. Okay, my favorite scene with Rusha, I think, was the scene where हम उसके लिए he's joined school and उसके लिए मैं वो यूनिफॉर्म सिला रही हूँ and he comes and then बाद में I think आहना काट देती है, मिश्का काट देती है, and फिर he wears that कटा पुटा वाला कपड़ा and then we are laughing and that whole sequence was very cute. And also the group hug. Yeah. Also the group. There's this group hug with me, Prisha, Rudra, and Saransh. The first group hug we had as a family. That was love. That was also my favorite. So guys, thank you very, very, very much for all the love, all the appreciation, and I hope I got to speak to as many people as I could. I had got a lot of requests to come live, so I did, and I hope I could connect with as many as possible. I love you all. Thank you very, very, very much. Please do keep watching the show. Give us your love. Give us your thank you, Sai. You can't see me in white color. Yeah, but white is also okay, no, for a change. White is such a pure color. But I will definitely get color back in my life soon. So you have to keep watching the show for that, okay? And as soon as my look changes, start getting back to sort of normal, I will obviously post. You know that. Okay, guys, you're so happy, Ahana and Prisha. Sorry, I missed it. Thank you. Ye hi. White suits me. Thank you very much. Divya. Hi, Divya. Hi, Suneha. Hi, Jia. Love my action. मैंने कौन सा एक्शन किया है? The only show I remember doing action was I did a cameo in Peshwa Bajirao, in which I was an out and out negative evil woman. उसमें मैंने थोड़ा बहुत एक्शन किया था. That's about it. इसमें तो कोई एक्शन नहीं भाई. I look like a moon. Thank you. Sudipta, hi, how are you? Sadhguru is not here. Both my daughter-in-laws are damn cute now. I totally agree with you. Both my daughter-in-laws, Ahana and Prisha, are love. Our reels were funny. We'll make more. I have to catch Tanu for that. I will share BTS. Hi Rohit. Hi Anil. Thank you VV90. Hi Sarah. Okay, next 3 more minutes and I'm out. When will I come live next? I'll come live soon. I'll come live next with all of the whole cast, with all of us, with everyone together. Chalo. Bye guys. Thank you Rehan. Thank you. Hi Vishnu. Hi Mishtha. I will post. Okay guys, chalo, bye. Love you all. Thank you, and I hope I can save this live. I'll try to. Okay, bye. इसको बंद कैसे करते हैं अभी?